today I'm going to show you how to make an origami fish. I think it's really nice because it's got this pointy nose and you can draw a face on it, you can play with it and decorate, and actually you can do whatever you want with it. And I think it's also nice because you can just choose whichever color you want, and you can actually really do whatever you want. And I'm going to show you how to make it today. I chose the color red. I didn't actually choose it, but my dad chose it because he really likes the color red. And the first step is taking the bottom corner here and folding it up to the top corner. Then you unfold, flip it around a bit and repeat. And you unfold again. And flip it around a bit, but not as far as last time, so there's an X. Now you fold this bottom edge here and fold it up to the top edge. And you unfold again. You turn it around a bit again and do the same thing. And you unfold again. Now you take this where the lines meet at the side here and kind of move it in like that and do the same here. This might take a bit long, but you should end up with kind of a double triangle. You lay it down, make sure it's flat, and take this side here, this side corner, and fold it to the middle, but only the bottom should reach the middle, so the edges should only meet at the middle. Now you've got your fish. You can draw a face on it if you want to. I'm going to draw a face on it. That's why I'm going to go get a pen. So now I've got a pen. I'm going to draw an eye here, and the mouth here. Now I've got a smiling red fish. I bet my dad would like that. And I've got the one I showed you at the start. And this orange one too. Now it's like a multicolored fish family. And now you can enjoy making them, and you can make as many as you like, so have fun. I hope you like this video. I'm going to be making more origami videos, so if you like it, please subscribe to my channel.